So RE module has provided a certain set of special functions. And to start with, the first one, there is match function. So the match function of your RE module is used to search for a pattern at the beginning of the string. If the match is available, then it's going to get some match object. Otherwise, we will get none on this. Now, coming to this full match, which is more or less act like your match function, but this is used to find a match for a particular pattern against the entire string. So the complete string, if it is matching, then function is going to return a match object. Otherwise, it is going to return none. Now, find all is the one which is going to find and return all matching occurrences in a given list. Now, compile function in RE module is used to compile a regular expression pattern into an expression object. And the split function is basically used to split a string into substrings based on a regular expression pattern. And your sub function is going to replace all the occurrences of a particular character or a pattern in fact, with a replacement string. Escape function is mostly used to escape the special character. Usually what happens when I'm going to give slash followed by a particular alphabet, that is a special meaning. Now, if I want to remove that, so in that case, I can make the use of your escape function. Coming to this search function is going to find the first occurrence of a character or a pattern. Though the search function is going to behave just like your match function, but search function is going to search for a particular pattern or a set of characters anywhere in the string. Whereas in case of match function, we know it is going to check a pattern at the beginning of the string where we are finding the or searching for the particular pattern here.